Hey everyone, I just turned 36 today. I'm a Filipino nurse here in America, a full-time dad, and I just made a decision that would change my family's life. Itong story ako. 4 years ago, full-time wedding photographer ako back in the Philippines and akala ko yun na yung buhay ko. Then I became a nurse here in America. Iniwan ko lahat no, sa Pilipinas. My family, the opportunities sa business ko, my friends, I left everything for the better future for my wife and my son. And I just finished my 2-year contract here in America and hindi muna ako maghahanap ng iba pang work. I'm going to bet on myself. I'm going to make digital products to help other Filipino nurses that wants to do what I did. Migrate dito sa Amerika, mag-survive at makapagpadala sa Pilipinas, makaipon, makapag-invest and mag-thrive dito sa Amerika. I already have 9,200 people following this journey here in YouTube, and if you are a Filipino nurse na gustong mag-migrate dito sa Amerika, follow along, subscribe to this channel, and papakita ko sa iyo kung paano ko nagawa to. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.